Lord, I'd like to be on Lord, and you continue to grant her heart desires, Lord. Continue to protect her with your protection. Thank you, Lord, for the special day we're about to have, the gift of breaking bread, sharing lives, Lord. Let us be a testimony of your love and your grace in our lives, Lord. May we listen to you, prepare this evening, Lord. Let us serve spiritually to our bodies and our minds, Lord. And may we enjoy this day that you made. And may honor and grace and glory goes back.
Libu, close your eyes and hope it don't see you in the... Ay,
We didn't care what tomorrow would bring.
Hey, guys, mag-aanuli ako ng bagong song. Ang pinakamagandang bagong song. Part 5 na yun, guys. Ten, 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 ten,